Samuel Delicious. Happy Sunday, everyone. Hope you guys doing great. Today I'm going to Vegas, Sin City, for some work, and weather is beautiful. I'm almost close to Barstow, and you can see the traffic. I'll show you the traffic. It's very congested. Somewhere like some reconstruction on the 15 North. Alright, so I'll show you the traffic, and hoping to have a great, productive, time in Vegas. Actually, it's for a business trip, so looking forward to it. Downhill, going down, and very long, kind of roads. And after this, you will see Vegas. Yeah, there's two like similar kind of path to Vegas. So this is the second one I'm taking video. All right, here we go. Now we're going downhill. You see, it looks like a planet Mars, right? Vegas. The geography, the the location, it's all dry, and this is what I'm talking about. All right, see the long, road leading to Vegas. All right, I can magnify this. There we go. There we go. All right. Ciao. All right, that's the one. You see there? Lithium battery, Elon Musk. Guys, I'm gonna show you my room at Treasure Island, 12031. All right, I'm so excited to see the place. Wow, this is the Las Vegas Treasure Island Hotel. All right, here we go. I just came from the lobby upstairs, 12th floor, and looks very nice. All right, so I'll show you my room in a minute. And this is 12404. So my room is all the way there. Right, so here's my room, 12031. Let me show you. Ta-da-da. All right, so here is the bathroom. Whoa, so pretty, right? So pretty. There's a bathroom here, very clean, very spacious, lots of towels. Nice picture here. And this is a shower place. All right, silky curtains. All right, so let me show you inside the room now. Da-da-da. Nice painting. And here is the dress. You can keep all the shirts, business dresses, hangers, and there's some towels, some the press here, iron. And let me show you inside the room. And let me just put on the lights. It's kind of dark. All right, here we go. All right, here's the bed for two. Let me show you outside, okay? The view from my room, 12th floor. And let's remove the curtain. All right, see here. You see the wind is right there in front of me, and I see there Conrad, something like that, right? As Encore is there. See, if I zoom in, you can see there Encore. All right, wind is here. Wow, it's beautiful in Vegas, man. Can't believe. It looks so good. And I think this is Palazzo. Yeah, it's not Caesar Palace, it's a Palazzo. All right, so busy. The strip is right there. And as normal, usual life. All right, so that's about it. I'll
Good
see you in a
morning,
bit.
everyone. Hope you guys doing great. Happy Monday, August, I believe, 19. I'm at the Vegas Magic Show, Garment Show, very large gathering here in Vegas. This is how it looks like. All the stalls, the booths are already set up and ready to go. .360 angle. All right, there we go. Right, we had the off price at Venetian Casino, and here we go. Looks so good. Off price. Feeling the economic pinch, where to get great deals. Needed inventory, we got you. All right. That's the registration counter. Go to Hall G, check it out, see what's there inside. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Happy Tuesday. I'm at the Venetian Casino. You can see the very nice ambience. Tuesday evening, close to 3 p.m. All right, check it out. You see the sky there. On top of the sky, the roof is open air. How amazing it is.